Hey everyone, Jess here. I'm going to walk you through creating an Etsy account if you wanted to sell something on Etsy. So remember, in this case, we're wanting to sell digital products. So let's go ahead and figure out how to set up our Etsy account. I'm just going to be walking you guys through it. It's my first time ever setting up an Etsy seller account. So this will be my first time doing it. What we first want to do is go to Etsy.com, then go over here and sign in. Once you're signed in, you're either going to go under your account, and it should pop up right over here. It should have like sell on Etsy, something like that. Or you can go to that little tab there. Let me back up because it was kind of quick. This little tab, Shop Manager. So if you've already clicked Get Started on Shop, then this little icon will be selected here. So that's what we're going to do. And again, it's going to tell you a little bit about how it works. It looks like it does cost $15 for a setup fee. So what brings you to Etsy? It's going to ask you a couple questions. Just getting started. Yeah, okay, next. And I guess you can skip them if you want. Is there anything you'd like help with? Let's see. Deciding what to sell. I'm just going to skip this question. Time for the fun part, creating a shop. Now, I don't have any of my digital products ready to upload yet. So that is something I'll need to do, but I figured at least I would get this set up. So hopefully I can go through everything, but if not, if I need a digital product, then I might have to come back and revisit. So English, United States, that all looks good. I just didn't know if there was any type of like verification process, so I figured while I work on a couple digital products, maybe this can be kind of getting itself set up in the background. Okay, so that took a little bit of work just because a lot of the names were already taken. So I went with this one. We'll go ahead. It says it's available, so we'll save and continue. Tell us about your listing. So and it's going to be a digital file. I made it, guys. It's a finished product. When was it made? Recently. We'll do by me. Okay. So what category? Guys, again, up to you, whatever your niche or industry is. I teach people how to do Airbnb. So let's see. I guess the category would be like a template, maybe. Digital templates. Looks like we can do digital prints, guides. Probably be under guides and how-tos. Let me see if there's an ebook that comes up. Okay, we'll go with that. Again, we can probably go back and edit it. So we'll do all that, guys. Created by me, save and continue. Now it looks like we drag and drop our files. Again, I'm not ready to do this one yet. So I'm going to see if I can skip it or if I'll have to go back. We'll just save and continue. Yeah, I might not be able to go through till I have my digital products. So I'll go ahead and pause this. I'll get a digital product ready and then I'll come back. Okay, guys, so I just had to go in and put in my PDF. It's an Airbnb quick start guide, teaches Airbnb hosts how to, get started and set up with being an Airbnb host. So I went in there and put in all the details of that, and then I tried to go back to show you, but it wouldn't let me see the original screen. So I did that, put in my hashtags, everything else, and then you go through, and it's basically how you'll get paid. So United States, what type of seller are you, a business? Then I'm going to put in all my information, which I'm not going to share here, but I'll go ahead and do that. Connect my bank, etc. So let me go through and do that. Okay, so I put in all that information. Then the next step is to verify your identity. So looks like I have to do, take a picture of my ID, then take a picture of myself, and then finish setting up my shop. So let me go get my ID and do that. So unfortunately, I couldn't show you the last step just because it was asking for my bank account information, and then it texted me a code. So just because I didn't want my phone number and all my bank information up on the screen, I did not record that part, but that was the last step, just to set up like a two-factor authentication at the end. So I did that with my phone number. And then guys, after that, you just hit finish setting up shop. So now we are good to go. We have our dashboard here, and I'll kind of explore this a little bit just because I'm new to Etsy. So if anyone uses Etsy or has any pointers or tips as far as what I need to do to set up or, utilize all of this, or if I even need to utilize all of this. But here's my listing that I set up. So I guess I can go create other ones. And yeah, so that's it, guys. That's how you set up an Etsy shop. It was pretty easy to do. Other than that, let me know in the comments if you want to me to set up anything else or if you have any other questions.